Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Toyota RAV4. It has the 2.0 liter, 4-cylinder, non-interference engine, same as the USA spec, and it does come with an automatic transmission. This RAV4 has 29,970 original miles. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. Ooh, thank you. As y'all can see, the lights do go away as well. I don't know if y'all are able to see the number down here. It says 48,232. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 29,970. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Let me get my glove on. All right. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. It really does mean a lot to us. We really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thanks again. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.